How to see downloads in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see downloads in Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to see downloads in Telegram is very simple. Let's say you open Telegram and then you happen to download something from Telegram, right? Maybe somebody sent you a certain email and then you saved it to your gallery and now you want to find it. Now the first way you can find it is right through your gallery app. If it is a certain media, then you will be able to find them because that will be saved to your gallery. The other way you can find it is you can tap the search bar here, and from the search bar you can see chats, media, downloads. So you can go to the downloads tab to see any of the downloads. Maybe it is a file, music file, or another type of file that you have. You will be able to download them from here, which is this case here. So you can tap the download button here in order to download. Now over here you should be able to see other details. Now if you want to find them within your phone, then you can go to my files, go to internal storage, then locate downloads. Then a Telegram folder will be there inside downloads, and then you can just select the Telegram folder here, and then you will be able to see all the sorts of downloads you have made from Telegram. This way you can see downloads in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.